welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So in this video tutorial, we will learn how to troubleshoot and fix issue with AMD Radeon software not opening or crashing in Windows 10 or 11. So follow step-by-step instruction to resolve the problem and get your graphics software up and running smoothly again. So let's start. But before that, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our YouTube channel for more further information in the future. Now let's start. So here are the first solution. We have to delete the CN folder. Now, like you have to press Window key plus R to open the Run dialog box and then type a percent local app data, then percent and without quit. So and press enter. So locate the AMD folder, double click on it and open it. And AMD folder you have to find CN folder within the AMD folder. So right click on the CN folder and select delete. After this deletion come from, so restart your computer to check if the issue is resolved or not. Now let's move to solution 2. So we have to install pending window updates. Like first you have to go into settings, then you have to see window update their option. Now click on this, wait for it. Then there are the option called update your windows. So you have to click on this. After click on this, there are the interface show restart now. That's how you can update your window processor complete. So these are simple solution 2 you have to take it. And now we are going to solution 3. Run AMD software as an administrator. Now you have to click on the window icon and type AMD software, then select run as administrator and choose yes to allow system changes. So we are going to solution 4, updating AMD Radeon driver. You have to go to the AMD website, then in website we have to locate the latest driver for your specific graphics card model and download the driver to your computer. Then double click the download file to start the installation and follow the instruction to complete the driver update and then restart your computer to apply the changes like resource and support. You have to click on this and this the other option is radio. Like you have to click on the window driver. That's how you can updating your AMD Radeon driver. Now we are going to solution 5, terminate Radeon software process. First we have to click on this, press Ctrl press Shift and X to open task manager. So in the process manager we have to find AMD software in the app section. Then right click on it and then select end task. So you have to check for any other AMD related process in the background process section and end them. And now we have to reopen the AMD software. Then after terminating process. In solution 6, we have to disable and enable AMD Radeon graphics. Like you have to go to Window plus X, then you have to go into Device Manager, and now then you have to expand the display adapter section. So there you have to right click on your AMD Radeon graphics card and show disable device. Like I'm showing you how you can do this with the my Intel graphics card. There the option is disable device. So wait for a few seconds, then right click on it again and choose enable device. That's how you can done your disable and enable AMD Radeon graphics card solution 6 in your PC. Then we are going to solution 7, uninstall and install AMD Radeon driver. Like window key plus X, then select drivers manager and then expand the display adapter section, and then you have to device manager, then you have to display adapter option and expand this. Then you have to choose this AMD Radeon option is say, and then you have to click on the uninstall. After uninstalling, process complete, and now we have to download the latest driver from the AMD website. By clicking on this, there we have to solution or resource and support option is say, like we are going to this resource support, and the other option is drivers, and then you have to click on the download window drivers. That's all you can Install the new driver by running the downloading file and follow the installation prompt and restart your computer after completion. These are simple solutions you have to take when you tackle the problem of your AMD Radeon software not opening or stop working in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it and we will get you in our next video.